We are in Khabroni main mall. This is the most beautiful place I have ever seen. Very organized, nice for taking photos, sitting and relaxing a bit. You can see how beautiful and colorful is this place. You can come here, have a cup of coffee, take photo, do whatever you want, see the crafts, enjoy your shopping and relax in this beautiful area. And also you can take beautiful photos. As you can see, there are different postures for different photos that people they can come and take photo. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Now you can see this area. It's a really nice shot for photographers and photography. You should definitely do that. Come here and take photo. Look at this, how beautiful is this place, and how beautiful is this small shop, tuck shop, and others. And look at this painting. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Oh, there is a mannequin sitting here. Wow. Zoom on her. This area is amazing.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said?